Amidst all this, we are getting some more breaking inputs. Times Now has accessed the FIR copy in Swati Maliwal assault gate. The FIR registered against Bibhav. We'll take you through the details, the charges pressed against Bibhav and what Swati Maliwal told the police in her complaint. 7-page complaint written by Swati Maliwal, handed over to the Delhi police, post which the FIR was registered. Let's go across to Pranesh from the newsroom with more on the FIR details. Yes, Pranesh.
The first time, Swati, in the Maliwal assault gate saga, we have the FIR that has been registered after Swati Maliwal gave a written complaint. Look at the sections here right at the top. Let's start with the date first, 16th May 2024. And here are the sections. 308 of the IPC, 341, 354B, 506, 509. Occurrence of the event, everything mentioned in detail here. And then you have, all the procedural things here. And here's the name of Vibhav Kumar. First mention of Vibhav Kumar, residence of Delhi Civil Lines North, Delhi, India. This is the name of the accused. Page number 1. Let's go to page number 2. Page number 2 of the FIR. Here it is. And I'll just try and turn this around. And if Ankit can help me do this. This is the detailed complaint. And allow me to read this in entirety. To DCP North, Delhi Police, sir, on 13th May at around 9 a.m. I had visited the residence of Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, Chief Minister of Delhi at 6 Flagstaff Road, Civil Lines, Delhi. On reaching, I went inside the camp office and called CM's PS, Vibhav Kumar. But when I could not get through, I then sent a message on his mobile number through WhatsApp. However, there was no response. I then went inside the residential area through the main door of the CM house, as I have always done in the past year, since Vibhav Kumar was not present at the CM house. I entered the residence area and informed the staff present there to tell the CM that I am here to meet him. I was informed that he was present in the house and I was told to wait in the drawing room. I went in the drawing room and sat on the sofa and was waiting for the CM to meet me. A staff came and told me that CM is coming to meet me and I was asked to wait. Suddenly, the PS of CM, Vibhav Kumar, barges into the room. He started screaming at me without any provocation and even started abusing me. I was stunned, says Swati Maliwal, by this sudden misbehavior, and I reacted by telling him to stop talking to me like this and to call the CM. He kept saying, and I am reading what is quoted, तू कैसे हमारी बात नहीं मानेगी, कैसे नहीं मानेगी साली, and then there are a few cuss words here. While saying these words, he came and stood right in front of me without any provocation whatsoever on my side. He started slapping me with his full force. He slapped me 7-8 times at least while I continued screaming. I felt absolutely numb and shocked and was screaming for help over and over again. In order to protect me, and then this goes on and on. Tejshri is also joining us for more on this. Tejshri, this is the version of Swati Maliwal that we haven't heard so far. Everything detailed in this FIR that you've accessed.